Street rod time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Take a look at this beauty. 1937 Ford 3-window coupe. Yeah, I know you die-hard Ford guys watching this. Ford did not produce a 3-window coupe in 37, did they? Sometimes known as a Phantom. This is actually a Minotti Bodyworks produced vehicle, so it is a glass body. 350 small block shove power underneath the hood. TPI engine. 700 R4 automatic with overdrive. And nicely equipped with power steering, power brakes, heat, AC. Pearl yellow, custom pinstriping. Take your time looking through the still pictures of this one. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out the still pics there. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Foose wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, every corner. Front end heights, and it does have new bushings and seals, adjustable coilovers on this car, updated 4-link rear suspension and a newer drive shaft. So yeah, definitely take a look at the underside. Beautiful car underneath also. You can see windows are tinted. So know your local and state laws as far as percentage of window tint that you can have. You also see that the door handles have been shaved. It has poppers on both sides and they are working. There's a key fob for running the door poppers on both sides, and there's also a popper for the driver's side push button underneath the running board. You can see the power antenna is Frenched in. Stereo system is Sirius XM compatible. We're going to get to the interior and check that out a little bit closer here in a minute. I want you to remember first, though, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It'll also come with a car cover and a couple things I want to let you know about. Up in this rear wheel well on the passenger side, there is a battery disconnect switch in that wheel well, hidden well. There's also charging points external of the car right there. You can see the positive and negative charging points. So nicely done. Push button for the trunk release is on the left side of the dash, and behind the left kick panel on the driver's side is the release for the hood. Some of the things you're going to want to know about if you're purchasing this vehicle. And once again, take your time looking through all the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Yes, this car looks as good in person as it does the pictures and the videos, no doubt about that. If you like street rods, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. All right, so we moved on to that interior. I'm sure you're dying to see what it looks like. So it is kind of a dark chestnut, and it is leather and suede, and it's beautiful. As you can see, door popper works. All right, power windows for both sides. Check out that usable armrest, and again, kind of suede on the upper, leather on the lower portion. Look at these comfortable seats. Tilt column. Just a beautiful setup in here. Headliner matches. Third brake light, as you can see. All right, let's go ahead. Get the keys in the ignition here to make it a little bit easier. Electric fuel pump, as you can hear. So, of course, fuel injected engine with that TPI 350 underneath the hood. Stereo is working. As you can see. Go goes. All right, so we have TAC. Odometer shows, what, about 15,000 on it? That could easily be just the miles on it from the build. Fuel gauge. Water temp, oil pressure, voltmeter. Look at that nicely finished dash. By the way, AC blows cold. And you'll be able to see tons of pictures of the interior in the still pics. Yes, that looks as good as it does in person also. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Looks good and sounds good. Alright, that hood release is hidden behind this side panel right here. I'm going to go ahead and roll the windows down, just make it easier for me to get back in. So I'll go ahead and pop this hood, and we're going to check out this engine bay. There's some bling underneath there, let's put it that way. This engine has a nice shine to it. Let me get that open, prop up, and we'll check it out. Stick around to the very end of this video too. As usual, I'm going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Alright, hood popped open. Nice prop rod setup on it. There's the bling I was talking about. Some nice chrome and polished work underneath there. Just nice and clean and neat, tastefully done. And again, power steering, power brakes, AC, heat, you got it all. That automatic with overdrive trans. Like I said, this one's set up to drive. This one will take home some trophies. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1937 Ford Coupe. This would be a street rod, a very nice street rod. Especially the interior is striking me as well done. The brown they've chosen mixed with this almost carbon fiber and the nice gauges. Everything looks good. This is an automatic on the floor, so it's easy to drive. And it sounds a little better and is quite a bit faster than your typical 37 Ford. Very nice. Started just with a flick of a key. Idles great right away. Plenty of power. On the left we have a tachometer working as it should, and then the speedometer showing 50 miles an hour right now. Fuel gauge is just under half. Water temperature 180. Oil pressure showing almost 60 psi. Our volt gauge is showing about 13 and a half. Down below we have a stereo. Headliner. This is all finished quite well. Leccara steering wheel. Looks like leather. Bucket seats. Brakes work really well. Power steering, power brakes working as they should. And we got a trailer full of round hay bales. There we go. Trucks have the right of way. Great sounding car, easy to drive. I'm 6'1" and I fit in this car. Plenty of legroom. It has a great sound coming out the tailpipes too. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this 37 Ford at uniqueclassiccars.com.